This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 16, 2023. It's currently April 9, 2023, 6:05 p.m. Eastern Time, and the shuffle file we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 5:47 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, there's a significant peak that stands out on at least a one-day chart, but probably a multi-day chart. Significant peak where it forms when we break through resistance momentarily. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through the same price level shortly thereafter. And it looks like off of the high, there's a pretty notable move to the downside on a one-day chart standing out. And then behavior around the lowest low, we have the bottom of a range that looks like doesn't hold. Yeah, there's a drop. It looks like there's a drop in the morning there. In any case, so let me take a look at the 1 month, 16th. Yeah, I'm getting a trough on the 17th and an opportunity on the 16th in the midst of a rally to open up a short position. There's a day trade there as well. That's the shuffle file completed. One of those trades takes place within a sharp dip in a period of decline, and the other one takes place when there's a luxury, when there's a crest that we sell off from down to and through support, do a U-shaped reversal comeback, and reuse it as support. So it looks like a bullish day trade and a bearish swing trade. Yeah, a bullish day trade and a bearish swing trade on the 16th. So let's look for the bullish. So there is a little bit of a decline in the morning. I would probably wait till midday to open up a long position if there is a sharp drop around 12 o'clock, because there's some bullish behavior here. But if there is a sharp drop around 12 o'clock, I would utilize that as an opportunity to open up a long position for a day trade that I would close around I close around probably 1:30ish, maybe a little sooner. So it's a pretty quick trade. And then as far as a bullish trade or a bearish trade is concerned, for a swing trade, I would open up a bearish trade when we have kind of like a breakout on a one-day chart here. There's a peak, some volatility around a resistance level, and then it looks like a breakout from, but at a lower level than the peak, a breakout to the crest or peak. So that's actually higher, but it looks like it's probably, the peak is higher than where the breakout takes us. So there's like a drop in there between the peak and the breakout that takes us to a prominent resistance. But that's when, like, when there's a breakout, at least momentarily, around the 2 o'clock mark, maybe a bit later, but probably around the 2 o'clock mark or slightly later. That's when I would open up a short position in the midst of that breakout back to a crest or peak. And then there's price swings in the last hour. A lot of price change covered in around the 2 to 3 o'clock hour. Right around the close, we have a period of volatility and a sharp drop that stands out in a period of volatility. Erratic behavior in the post-market. And a sneak preview for the following day, we open higher. Some point there's a rally along a diagonal trend line breaking through horizontal resistance to meet second resistance, and then we pull back to somewhere between those two price levels. And it looks like that takes place off of the lows. That's the S&P 500 for May 16th, 2023. My friends, if you're interested in some other type of ticker or crypto, you want to get some questions answered privately, a great way to support the channel is here at Private Sessions. We do a 60-minute consult, we do a 90-minute consult, and they're great ways to meet and introduce yourself as well. Much appreciated to all you that go through and do that. Appreciate your support. Most importantly, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You do see here at the resources tab, 5% to the Cash App, PayPal, 5% forward to one of these charities, and make sure you spend that money out of love. The universe will bless you back with sending back to you tenfold from all directions. I'll see you on the next one, guys.